My name is Jay Pearson, and today I'm going to teach you how to fakie kickflip. The first step you need to learn how to do, you need to learn how to fakie ollie. And this is what that look like. And now that you got the fakie ollie down, the next step you need to learn how to do on flat ground to learn how to fakie kickflip. You need to learn how to kickflip first. So this is what that look like. So now that you got the kickflip on flat ground, now you got to put all that together to go fakie. So going fakie is really tough when doing a fakie kickflip. So this is what that look like. So the secret of fakie kickflips is really a kickflip and a fakie ollie. That's all that is. And another thing, when you're going fakie, you want to tweak the board back the opposite way of you rolling. So if you're going fakie, you want to tweak the board like this in that motion. So if you do that, you will do the fakie kickflip the right way. And another thing, when doing a tweak, when you doing a fakie kickflip, you want your shoulders to dip down the opposite way of you going fakie. So if you riding fakie, you want to dip down like that when you riding fakie. So if you do that, the board would dip like that. It'll dip as your shoulders is dipping. So if your shoulders dip that way when you riding fakie, the board would dip in that way. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification button so you won't miss out on videos like this every week. And if you like this video, don't forget to share with somebody else that needs it. Catch you in the next one.